Today we're making honey brown mustard. Come on in, welcome to my home. It's getting summertime and it's time to go out there and, make sandwiches. How'd you like to make your own mustard? This is a really cool thing and it's so easy to do, but I had to start this last night. I'll tell you how I started it. I started with 1/4 cup of brown mustard seed, 1/4 cup of yellow mustard seed, apple cider vinegar, and beer. I combine those together and let them soak about 6 to 8 hours. Then you get this. We're going to take this and put it in our food processor. It definitely smells like mustard. I mean, really smells like mustard. To that, I'm going to add about 1/8 teaspoon of sea salt. You can add a little bit more if you like things a little bit more salty. And then approximately 2 tablespoons of honey. Put my lid on and blend. Be sure to scrape it down. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Wow. Wow, that smells good. Spatula won't stay. Okay, blend again. I love mustard, and I have to admit that smells so good. Now I've got a container, putting my mustard in there. And yes, this is one of those coarse mustards. Now what I want you to do is let this sit overnight, or for a couple days, it just depends, at room temperature. But I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. That's really good. It's sweet, it's a mustard. I mean, it's one of those old-fashioned mustards. This is super, super good. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at cmcolemanhome. This will be great on any sandwich, hot dog, whatever you want. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you and I hope I get to see you again next time.